Wala kayong balita ngayon, ano?
Sir, ikaw balita sir eh.
Kayo daw po impeachment manager.
Wala pa. It's just a suggestion. So, wala pang final. Pero, tingnan natin. It's really the decision of the majority.
Anong gawain, sir, ng impeachment manager?
The way it was explained to me.
Parang taga-bukas at sara ng tindahan.
So parang
Why is
majority
there a need
leader
for
sa
that?
plenary session, parang
Parang
Why is there-
mostly administrative. Just for the smooth, orderly proceedings. So,
Parang clerk of court, parang ganun, Sen? Parang clerk of court or something? Hindi rin.
Parang court administrator.
Court administrator.
Hindi
Oo.
parang taga-traffic, sir.
Hindi. Well, ang alam ko, mostly administrative matters.
Bakit kailangan ng isang impeachment manager? Is it because hindi abogado yung magiging presiding officer?
Hindi naman. Yun nga, just to make the proceedings, di ba? Parang to make sure that the proceedings are ordered. So it's really more administrative.
May sin-
Nasa rules.
Ngayon, wala. So that's why, kailangan pang sama sa rules yun.
ang sabi ni,
pag pinasok sa rules yun, di ba matatagalan?
Depende sa majority yung proceedings.
Pero pag pinasok nyo sa rules, matatagalan pa kayo kasi you have to amend the rules and you have to publish it pa. So,
Yeah, that's right. Well, hindi naman, may mga administrative matters that have to be addressed before we proceed to actual trial.
Doon
Parang court
papasok.
administrator.
court administrator.
Parang ano.
And you-
Impeachment court administrator.
so pwede hindi nyo na rin amyandahan yung rules para dyan.
That I have to study. Kasi sa agriculture, anong nyo naman ako doon sa 4 na oras kung pinag-uusapan dito?
Hindi, pero Sen, sabi ni Senator Lacson kasi kahapon, ang sinasabi ni Senator Lacson kahapon, Sen, na yung impeachment manager ay magtitimbre sa magtitimon, sasabihan niya ang presiding officer kung i-sustain o i-overrule yung mga motion or may mga gano'n. Kasi hindi nga abogado
Hindi ko narinig. Pero ang sa akin kasi my understanding is it's more administrative than legal discussions or debates. Kasi lahat kami judge. So, hindi naman, lahat kami magkakaroon ng kanya-kanya opinion. At lahat ng opinion, hindi man sinasakayunan, look out ng bawat judge yun.
So how is your preparation for the possible impeachment trial? Abogado naman kayo, sir.
Sen, pwede po ba mapigilan yung pag-convene kapag tumutulto yung majority?
Minority.
Wala na sa usapin yun ng court administrator.
Pero
sir, dapat-
sir, yung open kayo na mag-impeachment manager and from you talked about it.
It was discussed, but nothing has been finalized.
Because kailangan kayo sa rules.
And it's a decision of the majority. Hindi naman kami majority.
But you can be assigned as impeachment manager when lagay sa rules.
I don't think so. It has to be.
So mas tama sa impeachment court administrator or impeachment manager?
That's my understanding.
And you're open to it.
Pinag-iisipan ko.
And then, sir, pwede nga, pag magiging na sa impeachment court, dapat ba automatic yun? O paano
Ayoko
pag may
nang pag-usapan
nagustuhan?
ang mga legal issues ng impeachment.
Pero hindi pa naman, sir, yung pag-convene pa lang naman, sir.
Hintayin na lang natin. Ayoko na muna mag-comment kasi baka lahat yan pagbobotohan. So, hintayin na lang natin.
Pero sir, sa ngayon, hindi ka pa sure kung tatanggapin.
Pinag-aaralan ko.
Anong considerations ko, sir?
Yung workload ko sa I don't want ayoko ma-discourage yung mga bills na pending. So lahat agree. Hindi naman talaga
Then, Sen,
Paniwala ko. Dante, nanalo tayo. Dapat balik.
Okay.
yung pinagtaawayan, yung pinagtatanungan nila Senator P.